Today we're planting red flowers to attract the hummingbirds. We'll be right back. We'll start off here with this plant. This is a Jacob Klein Monarda. It has always been in my garden and the hummingbirds have always loved it. This is one of the first plants they go to. This straight native, it needs full sun and it gets 3 to 4 feet tall and wide, and it's hardy all the way down to zone 3, so just about anybody can have this plant in their garden. Next we have a cardinal flower that's here in this pot. It gets 3 to 4 feet tall and gets 2 feet wide, and it's hardy in zones 3 to 9. It's another one that the hummingbirds like really well. This plant is a threadleaf coreopsis. It's called hot paprika. Coreopsis are native plants, but I believe this one is a cultivar. It gets 15 to 18 inches tall and is hardy in zones 5 to 9. I'm not sure how much the hummingbirds like it, but it's one of my favorite plants, so it's going in the hummingbird garden. This next plant is called royal red sage, windwalker. And these are definitely not native plants. They're not even nativars, but it's been my past experience that hummingbirds seem to favor any kind of a salvia. So this is windwalker royal red. It gets 36 to 48 inches tall and wide, and it is hardy in zones 5 through 9. And the last plant I want to talk about today is royal catchfly. And you've probably seen videos that I've done on this plant before. It is a native, and in fact it is a rare native in our area. The scientific name is Silene regia. I've been trying to get this established in my garden for the last 3 years, and without a lot of success, but it seems like this year I've got them coming up in several places, so that makes me happy. This does get 2 to 4 feet tall. The rest of the plants here are nativars or non-natives. Most of them are non-natives. I've got a couple of annuals. Most of them are perennials. The fountain was moved from another area because we got a new fountain. This bush here has been here for a long time. It's a beautyberry. It is native, but it's not red. But I wasn't going to tear it out, so it's staying there. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and we'll be on the lookout for the follow-up that I do later on once things are established. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.